I'm Bobby, and my wife Rachel and I use coconut oil to cook with.
You're not allowed to put me in this video.
Rather than using a spray to help it not stick, they can mess up your pans, and so at one point we even used olive oil, but coconut oil is much healthier. It tastes better. I'll use it to saute my veggies and to keep it from sticking in the bottom. It's awesome. We love it. So I love having eggs in the morning, so I will use it for my eggs and my veggies. And you should do the same. Need an oil change.